Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Vivo has internet and you know the Google account credentials. Open Settings, tap Accounts, then Google. Sign in if needed. Once signed in, make sure the Contacts Sync toggle is enabled for that account. This prepares your phone so contacts will save to the cloud instead of locally. That way you avoid losing them when you switch devices. Now you're ready to move into exporting or selecting contacts to save to Google. You'll now transfer the actual contact entries. If contacts are local, open Contacts, tap to select multiple entries, or export all via Menu Manage Contacts Export to. VCF. Once you have a VCF file, tap Menu Import and choose the Google account as destination. If the Contacts app can import directly, pick your signed-in Google account. This makes sure each contact is associated with your account, so sync works. Finish by confirming the sync completed. Go to Settings Accounts Google and check Contact Sync shows a recent timestamp. If you don't see contacts on another device, force a sync by toggling contacts off then on, or sign out and back into the Google account. If duplicates appear, use Merge Duplicates in Google Contacts to clean them up. If problems persist, remove and re-add the Google account. That resets sync and usually resolves inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.